Imagine perfectly stabilized shots, smooth camera movements and professional looking content, all just with your smartphone. The new Insta360 Flow 2 Pro gimbal makes it a reality. This little gimbal is packed with features like deep AI tracking, an improved included telescope arm and tripod, and an unrestricted FPV mode for maximum creativity, plus so much more. In this video, I'll show you 11 tricks to get the most out of your Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. The first trick is called Triple S. The Triple S stands for Smooth Smartphone Shots. The Insta360 Flow 2 creates perfectly stabilized shots that look professional and take your smartphone videos to the next level. No matter in which environment or gimbal mode you operate, the Flow 2 is the perfect smartphone companion for all content creators. Just start creating and see for yourself. The second idea is the Speedramp Tracker. Here I use the deep AI tracking function of the Insta360 Flow 2 together with the app. I simply look for an object that I want to track, mark it on the screen, and the Flow 2 starts tracking and ensures that the object is always in the center of the screen. To make the recording more exciting, I added speed ramps in the post-processing. You can easily do this with the Insta360 app. To do this, go to Edit and create a video. Select the video you want and click Next to start editing. To create the speed ramp, select Speed and Segment. Find the part of the video that you want to speed up and select it. The playback speed must then be selected. Do this for all speed ramp segments. Then confirm the selection. To improve the effect, select the Motion ND effect and your Speedramp Tracker is ready. The fast pan transition is very simple and creative. Use the pan following mode on your Flow 2 gimbal. Then create a shot where you quickly pan in from the left to the center at any location. Wait there for a moment and then pan out again. You can do this at any location. If you then line up the videos, you get a creative fast pan transition. Very simple, but great for a video transition. You may have already seen the Rotate your smartphone effect. Now you can easily create it yourself with the Insta360 Flow 2. Simply select the FPV mode. This allows you to perform completely free movements. In this case, I slowly rotate the smartphone by 90 degrees. If you now watch the video on your smartphone and slowly rotate it with the same speed of the video rotation, you get an interesting effect. Try it out for yourself. Your TikTok and Instagram followers will be surprised. The rising bird's eye view simulates the ascent of a drone. To do this, you need to extend the telescope stick of the Flow 2 gimbal, set the camera mode to wide angle and slowly guide the Flow 2 upwards from the bottom. To give the shot more dynamic, press and hold the C button. This causes the gimbal to perform an additional rolling movement. making the shot appear even more dynamic. Try it out for yourself and create your own rising bird's eye view shots. Probably the simplest trick, but it always leads to cinematic footage. For the low ground shot, you have to pull out the Flow 2's telescope stick again. Invert it the gimbal and guides it just above the ground in pan following mode. This gives you impressive looking low ground shots. Of course, the Insta360 Flow 2 also has a time shift function. This makes it very easy to create hyperlapses. In combination with the tracking function, tracking hyperlapses are also possible. Select a suitable object, mark it on the screen and walk slowly towards it. Once you have finished, the Insta360 app will automatically create a hyperlapse. Very easy but exciting to watch. Cinematic tilt-up movements are a good way to reveal and present the environment. This is easily possible with the Insta360 Flow 2. Use the following mode for this. First point the smartphone at the ground and then pull the gimbal upwards. The stabilization of the Flow 2 gimbal gives you perfect cinematic tilt-up shots. Exactly the same works in the other direction. Start from the top and slowly pull downwards, and your cinematic tilt down shot is ready. With the Panorama Drone effect, you simulate the slow rise and fly away of a drone. To do this, extend the selfie stick, start filming on the ground and slowly move back while pulling the Insta360 Flow 2 upwards. The gimbal ensures a perfect horizontal alignment of the horizon and your Panorama Drone shot is ready. Barrel roll shots are possible at the touch of a button. Press and hold the C button and the Flow 2 automatically starts a barrel roll recording. Try it out in different environments and create interesting inception looks. And these were my 11 Insta360 Flow 2 Pro tricks. Get creative yourself and get the Flow 2 now. Just take your smartphone videos to the next level.